This 2017 Forest River XLR Nitro 31 kilowatts double slide, rear 11 feet cargo area is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, air conditioning, refrigerator, slide-out, oven, microwave, skylight. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River XLR Nitro 31 kilowatts double slide, rear 11 feet cargo area is 10,086 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.